How to fix save video missing problem in TikTok. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your TikTok profile and tap on top right three lines. Now here you have to click on settings and privacy in the bottom. Now here you have to scroll down all the bottom and here you have to click on report a problem. When you click on this, here you have to wait few seconds and here you will see an option. Here you have to click on this creation button. Here you can see you have to click on this. When you click on this creation button, here you have to again scroll down and click on this save video. Here you can see you have to click on this saving videos. After clicking on this, here you have to select the region. Now here you have to click on this again saving video option at the top. After clicking on this, here you have to select no option in the right bottom. Here you can see you have to click on this. After clicking on this, here you have to add your problem and click on send. Now here you have to type which problem you have. After that you have to click on send. In this way you can fix